Hi, Sean. Sorry I'm late.
How'd you get off work so early?
Yeah, well, tonight's a special night, and you're my special girl. I told the boss, I said...
Oh, just a sec. Hi, Mr. Donovan. Yeah, it's fine. Go ahead. Absolutely, I'll have that free for the meeting on Monday. No, I think that's a great idea. Okay. No, that is not a problem.
Can we please have a pleasant dinner without
Mr.
your
Donovan,
cell phone interrupting
I'm
us?
kind of in the middle of dinner. Can I call you back? And you know what? I know, Sean, but management is really starting to notice all the extra hours I'm putting in, and I don't get why you don't understand that.
Just for tonight.
Okay. Fine.
Thank you. You look beautiful tonight.
Thanks.
Come here.
What?
Give me your hands.
What, Sean?
Marry me.
Oh my gosh, Sean, I am...
You gave your boss my number?
Sean! God, it doesn't hurt to talk about this. Answer your phone.
Hello?
Sean! Sean! Sean!
My God, I didn't even see him!
Back up! Give him some room! Go on! Go call 911! Go call an ambulance! Oh my gosh, Sean! Sean, stop moving! Come on, stop moving! Stop! You're gonna hurt yourself. Come on. Baby, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, Sean, it's gonna be okay. You just have to hang on to the ambulance. It's your... Okay, just hold my hands, okay?